Both so good. Char. So we found another pet-friendly restaurant. Ito favorite ko talaga. What the? Di kaya ng powers ko. And that's because we transferred to another room. Grilled cheese. Sige, inuman ako. Mas masarap. Sino ang pipiliin niya? Mommy or daddy?
Set. Go! Ayaw naman niya.
Bakit ayaw uminom? No. Anong tawag dito sa place na to? Which part of Camp John Hay? Anyway, so gusto namin mag-trail originally. Tapos may ganitong place naman pala na pwedeng tumakbo-takbo si Panda. So just an idea for you. You can come here. Also, it's free. No charge. Dogs are allowed. They're free to run around. No people. Meron din pero konti lang. Tsaka look, ganda na ng view eh. Wow. Walang ganyan sa Maynila. Diba, Panda?
Kami lang din basura niya.
Masa?
Ano?
Oo. Ano? Naku, pag kayo pumunta dito, siguraduhin nyo, hindi kayo nagkakalat. Let's save Mother Earth. Panda is so tired. He loves it here. Are you a jungle boy? Let's go na. Let's go home. Okay. Time to go. We walked a little bit and we found the place where you can go horseback riding. Panda's shook.
Panda.
Look at that big horse.
Ang ano na pusa oh. Dinaanan siya ng kabayo.
Wala lang. Dad, picture of that! I think kontento na kami dun sa ginawa naming tambay by the pine trees. Pagod ako at si Panda napagod for sure. Dito na kami sa Tom and Tom's Coffee where we parked. I think it's allowed. Pets are allowed. I see some other pets. So nice here. The view is so nice, as you can see. So we found another pet-friendly cafe here in Baguio. It's the Tom and Tom's Coffee. So before or play around with Panda here in Camp John Hay, dito na kami nag-park simula kanina. Sabi namin, okay lang ba yun? Kahit di kami mag-order, di naman kami sinita. So might as well mag-order na rin kami. So we got a mango yogurt smoothie and the strawberry yogurt smoothie. Both so good. Char. Sobrang pet friendly din ng mga customer dito. Daming tumatawag kay Pandang Poki. Okay, so we are back at our Airbnb for a bit. And we're going to Burnham Park, which is a 7-minute walk from here. It's at Tulips Place. Tulips Place is the name of our Airbnb. Going to walk na lang instead of riding the car. We're gonna leave it here. And then we're going to have dinner in another pet-friendly restaurant. Let's go!
Saan ka ng bike? Panda? Panda? Kanina
Panda?
pa. Tapos,
Panda, ano? Wala ka nang ginawa kundi umihi?
ang singkamas daw.
Ano ilalagay?
Mango, singkamas.
Ano daw?
Salt lang po.
Kasi na plain?
Magkano po yan?
50.
50 pesos para sa singkamas. Ito na tayo sa Burnham Park. We have street food. This is singkamas with salt. Nakain ko lahat ng
Asin.
asin.
Sumabuko.
Oh,
Ha?
sarap.
Ano ito? Down drinks.
No.
Kumbaga sa prutas, pretty. Sorry.
Another snack find in Burnham Park. Korean sandwich. Looks cheesy. Mustard. There's mustard, egg, and cheese.
Imagine
So,
the
imagine na
taste.
lang.
Init ah.
Sobrang soft. Look what I got. Tahoe. It's not strawberry. Because for me, in my opinion, it tastes kind of weird. Ito favorite ko talaga to. Kaya lang, walang masyadong taho sa Maynila na naglalako kumpara sa probinsya. So, 50 to, no? 50 pesos.
Wala
50
iba size.
pesos. May smaller size.
Wala.
Walang smaller size. So, no choice ka but to buy the 50 pesos.
One size.
Go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Pagod siya eh.
found another pet-friendly restaurant. It's just very walkable to Burnham Park. Very nice view and very pet-friendly. The server gave Panda a seat. Very thoughtful.
Tsaka wala tayo sa labas. Sa loob pa din.
Yeah. So wala silang alfresco eh. So, very pet-friendly. 5 out of 5. Let's see if the food is very good also. Best seller daw nila dito is lomo ribs. You choose either brown rice or mashed potato. We chose mashed potato, and then we also ordered shrimp and tomato pasta. That's it for dinner. I don't know if you can hear me. Very soft. The meat comes off the bone easily. What the Baguio? Bakit kailangan matatarik yung daanan mo?
Kasi
Hindi kaya ng powers ko?
bundok sila eh.
Kasi naman tong isang to. Yung iba pa yung daanan. And I'm so sorry. Are you tired? Oh.
Binuhat ko na nga siya.
Yung Kanto restaurant was very affordable. We only paid for 800 plus pesos. And the serving was really very generous. Kaya, punta kayo.
Lalo na kung may pets.
Lalo na kung may pets kayo. Also, kung ayaw nyong lumayo from, kung naghahanap kayo ng place to eat with your pets near Burnham Park, Kanto is the place to be. For Panda, Kanto is 5 out of 5. Oh!
Because for you, traveling together is an expression of love.
Yes, yes. I love it.
Good morning, everyone. It's day 3 and it's our last full day here in Baguio. We're still giving you a few more places to visit. Pero if you can notice, I have a different background. Kasi above the room na pinagstayan namin is the reception area and it's wooden floors. Tapos merong mga batang, may bata na naka-check-in doon. Pero, we requested to transfer to another room and we're so happy and grateful na nag-grant yung request namin. So, we found a library cafe and it's so nice inside. It's giving Cubao Expo vibe. There's a lot of books. Of course, library cafe nga. Can read their books. May fantasy ako nakita, poetries, classics. So cute. Tapos pwede kang bumili ng art. Maraming arts and crafts. Pwede mong bilhin, like yung paint by numbers. Mas maraming food options, like we ordered grilled cheese. More on breakfast sila. Tapos sa coffee, we ordered 1 iced coffee, yung bestseller, and 1 Spanish latte na hot. Maliit lang siya na space or cafe. Pero okay din yung mga ganito sometimes than the fancy ones. Kasi it's cozier, mas cute, mas private yung feeling. Huga Cafe pala. Nasabi ko na ba? This place is Huga Cafe. I looked it up and it means, it's a Danish word that describes a quality of coziness and a feeling of contentment or well-being. Nice. Okay, so our first orders here, it's the iced one. Cory Kohi. May art pa. Cute. And the music choice, cool. A+. This one's good. It's not too sweet. May caramel taste siya. So, ito yung hot Spanish latte natin. Parehong masarap. Magkaiba sila ng lasa. May caramel and Spanish latte has condensed. I'm so excited for the grilled cheese sandwich. It's here. The main event. The main event. Grilled cheese. Let's taste it. Ano masasabi mo sa grilled sandwich?
Anong cheese kaya?
Mozzarella siguro yan.
Sabi.
Gusto mo yan?
Yeah. Sa Brandon Sanderson superhero books. Ang premise niya, one day nagkaroon ng powers yung ibang tao. Pero lahat na nagkaroon ng superpowers naging masama. So walang superhero, lahat supervillain. Si Bida, mga rebels. Steelheart yung kalaban. Yung una nilang papatayin na superhero.
Highly recommended.
Yes. So kung gusto niyo magbasa,
Dito kayo pumunta.
punta na lang kayo dito.
Huwag na kayo bumili.
Huwag na kayong bumili. Basahin nyo na lang. Kung estudyante ako, yun yung gagawin ko. Tambay na lang ako dito.
May borrower's card ka ba? Tanong.
Baka, kasi library di ba?
It's a super nice cafe. One of the best.
Chill kasi nila doon. Hindi ka nila kakausapin kung ayaw.
Oo, maganda siya for introverts.
Kasi yun na nga. Pwede ka nga palang mag-borrow ng libro.
Basta may borrower's card ka. Joke lang. Kailangan man lang daw mag-register sa library service nila. So, check out nyo na lang yung Instagram siguro or socials. 5 out of 5. Very pet-friendly. Naka-unleash si Panda. Pwede siya maglakad-lakad kahit saan. Hindi siya
mindful na lang din kayo sa pets.
Dapat naka-diaper na lang siguro to avoid accidents.
Ay, yung classic na. Saan bumili nun?
Next on our pet-friendly spot list is Wright Park. We just parked and the parking fee is 50 pesos. Hindi na po?
Tisay.
Tisay?
Yes. Dala kayo.
Hi, Tisay. Hindi na po. Let's go.
Panda horses.
Horses. Wow. So many horses.
Do you want to ride?
Fun fact, I'm a year of the horse. So if you want to ride horses here, 30 minutes, that would be 300 pesos. 300 pesos for 30 minutes, 600 for an hour. Additional 50. Addition. Hindi ko na alam. Basta. Yun. Walk meter chart. Mansion, house, 30 calories.
The workout.
Good luck sa'yo. Let's go.
10 kilo na aso to. Careful lang.
Pagod na ako. Kada, kaya mo ba mag-stairs? Lang sa taas? Try lang. Let's go.
Buhatin kita.
Oh, let's go. Go, try. Go, 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 panda.
Panda, panda. Panda,
Good
careful.
boy. Stop mo na, stop.
Ay, ay, naninig.
Ayaw niya. Gusto niya mag-stairs. Go, go, go. Up, 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 up.
Pagod ka na.
Good boy. Sana dito na lang tayo nag-park. Wink, wink.
Okay.
Sa mga tamad kayo mag-stairs, dito na kayo mag-park sa taas.
Parking dito sa taas ng Wright Park.
Yeah. Oh, nakakita ng dog si Panda. May shoes din. Naka-shoes din sila. Hello! Hindi ka nakita.
Sabi niya, dito pa to. Hindi to pang balbon. Hindi to chihuahua, to pang balbon ito.
Ano, mga souvenir? Hindi na kaya.
O yan o. Suot ka. Costume. Yung iwan niya na. Oh, may ab. For pasalubong, meron na rin dito sa Wright Park.
Ang daming dogs dito sa Wright Park. Ano? Mga...
Super pet friendly.
Alino.
Daming dogs dito.
Galang. Saka yun, nanda.
May paintings din.
Panda here.
Up! Up!
Have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
Pwede ba di palo dito?
Aray! Aray ko! Alam mo, tingnan mo.
Dito tayo sa The Mansion. Sinong bad breath? Wow. We are still in Wright Park by the fountain. Merong spot dito parang nice for pictures. Your dog can even
Roam around.
roam around like this. Show them, Panda. Show them. Roam around. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Panda, let's go. Let's go.
Ano tayo dito sa train?
So, pabalik na kami sa parking. I think this is an alternative way going back to where it all began.
Hala, saan tayo?
Wink, wink. Which way? Left or right? Let's go right. Ana, come on! Come on!
Panda, wait. Ayun, bagal niya naman eh. Okay, go, 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 go. Water?
Nandito na tayo sa last pet-friendly restaurant natin for our last day here in Baguio. This place is called Amarela Cocina. So, kapag...
Inom ka muna ito.
Bakit?
Kapag ka rin.
Sige, inuman ako. For your pets, if you come here, may veranda sila na pwede yung mga fur babies niyo. And this is just a few minutes from Wright Park. Kaya, okay yung location. Not too far. Salads here, napakarami. OMG. Good luck. Sana maubos. This
300
is
something.
300 pesos. To be exact, 395 pesos.
Mile 6 years past. This will go wild.
May bacon.
Chicken.
And then yung Uber.
Thank you.
Thank you. We ordered salmon, thinly sliced salmon with olive oil. Reminds me of sushi. And then we also also ordered chicken.
Yes.
Then, tagal na natin din na chicken.
How are you, Mr. Panda? How are you? You like the view? I got strawberry milkshake. Kaya masipsip. Leo ordered ube milkshake.
I like it.
Mas masarap. Mas masarap yung ube. Okay na lang. Thank you. Okay, let's do a quick bill reveal. So we paid 1,811.25 centavos. Considering na marami kami in order like Caesar salad, salmon, chicken, rice, tsaka dalawang milkshakes. I think it's worth it. Considering the ambiance and the view and customer service is great. Masarap ang simoy ng hangin. Malinis. Friendly yung staff. At masarap yung milkshake. So, if you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.